Okay, guys, this is what I'll just kind of call a couple of my favorite little things on the board. Like you, I like the threaded format of the old Ute fans, and so it's not my favorite or wasn't my favorite as far as how this board functions. But I'm kind of finding that that's a little more of just tradition and what I was accustomed to than actually being a better experience. And there's a couple of things I've figured out that make this using the board a lot easier and less clicky, if that makes sense. I was like you, I like to just kind of scroll through things and check it out. But one of those things is keystrokes, and learning a couple of keystrokes. I'll never memorize all these, but there's a couple of favorite ones that I like on here. And the first place that you can go and check this out is just click on the hamburger icon, and then go and hit the keyboard shortcuts. And this gives you all these different things. So hit G and H, and that will take you home. G and L take you to the latest. If you want to go see the unread or any of that sort of stuff, so G, all that sort of stuff. So the one I use is GH a lot, and then GU to see like what's new and what's popped up on there. The other one that I really like is this K and J, and I'll show you how that works, particularly if you are a fan of the threaded methodology on here. The other one that you want to remember is U is back, and then enter opens up things on that. So let me show you how that works here real quick. So if I'm here, I've landed on the page, I can just start hitting J, and if you notice this little red line moving up and down the page, that could take me to things that I want to go and read. So if I just go down here and I say, okay, it looks like there's some action going on this Tyler Huntley post, and then I just hit return, it takes me into the latest thing, and then I can again use J and K to move up and down and read whatever I want to, even go down into these suggested topics on there. And then if I want to go back, I just hit U, and that takes me back. So I'm not doing any clicking or anything at all. It's just moving me right through stuff really fast, and I can check it out. If I want to go to the unread, I don't currently have any, but I just hit G and U, and it'll say, yeah, you don't have any unread. And then G and L takes me to the latest on there. So that's something that's really pretty easy. My other favorite keystroke is if I am wanting to create a new topic, I don't have to go and click new topic. I just hit C. It pops open that window down there on the bottom. I start typing, hit create topic on that, and that's all I have to do. So the C one is really cool. If you open up something you don't want to, just hit the escape key. Yeah, they still have that on keyboards. Check it out. So those are just a couple of things that I think are really pretty cool. If you can't remember the keystrokes, just do shift question mark. It will bring it up and help you learn some of the keyboard shortcuts on there, which will be hopefully helpful to you. But once I figured that out, then I was like, hey, this board is super slick. I love it. It's working really well for me, and I think I'll do the same for you.